This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the keyboard to avoid accidental input. Once done, clear a flat workspace and lay a microfiber cloth down. Use a keycap puller centered under the spacebar edge. If none, slide a small flat tool gently. Pull straight up with steady force, don't twist. You do this to release the keycap from the switch. The cloth protects the case. Make sure to observe stabilizer bars under the space key before further disassembly, so you know what's attached. Once the cap is off, examine stabilizers. Many space bars use 2-bar stabilizers clipped into the plate. You should unclip them by pressing the clips outward and lifting the bar straight up. For screw-mounted units, remove screws while holding pieces. Keep each small part in labeled containers. Clean the exposed switch and stabilizer rails with 70% plus isopropyl on a swab to remove debris and old grease. And let surfaces dry, so reassembly will be smooth and reliable. To finish, apply a thin, even coat of dielectric or keyboard grease to stabilizer bars and pivot points. This reduces noise and binding. Reinstall the stabilizer bar into its clips or tighten screws gently, then align the keycap over the switch stem and press down firmly until it snaps. Test the spacebar for proper travel and responsiveness. If it sticks or double presses, make sure stabilizers are seated and switch area is debris-free. You may need to reseat or swap the keycap to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.